रहनुमा लेबर पार्टी एमपी सीमा मल्होत्रा कहती हैं नो डील ब्रेक्जिट से बचने के लिए पार्लियामेंट आर्टिकल 50 के इल्तिवा के खिलाफ बिल पास करेगी।
लंदन में ब्यूरो चीफ यूके गुलाम हुसैन अवान से बातचीत करते हुए उनका मजीद क्या कहना था, आपको सुनाते हैं।
जी बिल्कुल, हमारे साथ लंदन में लेबर पार्टी की एमपी सीमा मल्होत्रा साहिबा मौजूद हैं, जो कि सारी कार्रवाई ब्रेक्जिट की जो है ज़ाहिर है ये पार्लियामेंट के अंदर होती है, सारी कार्रवाई को ये देख भी रही हैं और क्लोजली मॉनिटर भी कर रही हैं और लेबर पार्टी का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इनके पास है। इनको सबसे पहले इनसे पूछते हैं कि ब्रेक्जिट की इस वक्त लेटेस्ट सूरत हाल पार्लियामेंट के अंदर क्या है। जी सीमा।
Well, this week the Prime Minister has gone to Brussels. She is hoping to make some changes to her deal. There is no sign yet that they will agree to any changes because last time she was there she shook on that deal and they believe that she should stay with her word. They are saying they may look at negotiating more on how the future will look like, and in that I would support them doing that because I believe that's very important. Britain must know where it's going as well as what it's leaving. In addition, the leader of the Labour Party, Jeremy Corbyn, has written to the Prime Minister. He has said that any deal must keep our environmental standards, our consumer standards, our employment standards, and make sure that we don't affect negatively our trade with other European countries. We should also have a customs union. These are very important matters. We do not want business to be affected. We do not want families to become poorer. These are the matters being debated in Parliament this week.
14 फरवरी को क्या होने जा रहा है पार्लियामेंट के अंदर, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा रूमर्स हैं कि उस दिन जो है वो एक फाइनल ड्राफ्ट पेश किया जाएगा एमपीज़ के सामने। क्या होने जा रहा है?
We are waiting for the Prime Minister to come back from the European Union. We don't know yet whether she will bring back a deal. Otherwise, she will be making a statement in Parliament and they will be tabling a motion for Parliament to debate. We expect there to be some votes on Thursday. But what we are now expecting is that the Prime Minister will delay any big votes for another 2 weeks because she has not had the agreement that she has told the British people she will get.
अगर कुछ नहीं होता तो 29 मार्च जो आ रही है बिल्कुल राउंड द कॉर्नर मैं कहूँगा, तो 29 मार्च को क्या होगा अगर सूरत हाल ऐसी रही तो?
If there are more delays, Parliament, I believe, will call for us to extend the Article 50 notice. This means that they will push back. We are calling for this to push back March 29th. I was in the European Union.
How long?
Up to 3 months at the moment. I was in the European Union last week with our select committee. I spoke directly to the European Commission, European Parliament. Because the European Parliament elections are coming, that means that the Parliament will be a new Parliament from July the 2nd. If we leave and we don't have European elections, we cannot sit in that new Parliament. That's why the end of June would be the deadline. Anything further than that, we would have to have European elections. And that's why this is now a matter of big concern for us and the European Union.
Thank you very much.